Alright, so what we're asked to do here is to find the equation of lines, and we're either given a graphical display or a written display. Yeah, I guess that's right, word display. Anyhow, we go through it exactly the same. It tells us the same information in both scenarios. So over here, we know it's cutting through the origin. So the origin means 0, 0. That's what's going on. So now what we do is we want to write this in the form of y equals mx plus c. Now, like we found before, y equals mx plus c. C is the y-intercept. M is the gradient, value of rise over run. So what we're going to do now, if we have a look at this, we can see that C is 0. So we say C equals 0 because that's what we've got there. Now, from there, what we want to do, we want to work out our gradient, our rise over our run. So the first thing we do is we choose our point. We've got our arbitrary point there, or not our arbitrary, but we've got one point there. And we've got our other point over here. So to go from here to here, we have gone across 3 units. So because that's at 3, we've gone across 3. So our run, so we could say M equals, our run is 3. And then because we've gone, and then also to go from here to here, we're going 2 units up. It's 2 units up. So because of that, we've got a rise of 2. So we end up being 2 over 3. So our equation becomes y equals 2 over 3x. Similarly, over here, origin and 3 and negative 1. So what we do, draw it. Like I said before, you don't have to be tough. Draw it. We've got a point here at the origin. We've got another point at 3 and negative 1. So it's 3 and negative 1, which is about here. Let's draw a line straight through. We know this is 0 and 0. We know this is 3 and negative 1. So it's got through 0. So straight away, y equals mx plus c. We know that c equals 0. Let's draw that clearer. And this is a comma. Let's rewrite that. C equals 0 because we've got our 0 there. So to go from the origin to this point, we've gone across and down. How far have we gone across? 3. So our gradient m, our run is 3. Our rise is negative 1. So that's what we've got there. So as a result, y equals negative 1 over 3x. So that's how we go about finding the equations to graphs.